Hello and welcome to the Listening Ear podcast. My name is Roger Sofula. This podcast is a continuation of our series on the subject of loss and grief. A client recently posed a question and asked, how long should someone grieve? From where we stand, there is no set time or prescribed time for grieving. The length and intensity of grieving depends on the impact that her loss has on a person. As you are aware, grief is not a disorder. Grief is not a disease, and it is not a sign of weakness. Grief is a normal reaction that every human being goes through when they lose something or someone that they love. Even though there is no set time for grieving, grief becomes a problem when it is not accepted, when it is suppressed, or when it interferes with the normal functioning of a person. And should it get to that point, a person needs to seek for psychosocial help. A person needs to get an appointment with a counselor so that he or she can be helped to move forward despite the grief. To learn more about grief and mental health matters, follow our social media pages and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's it from us. My name is Roger Zofula. Adios.